Namaskar, welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. Today is 29th April. ABC today's highlights: so fairly widespread to widespread rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds, speed reaching 40 to 60 kmph with heavy to very rainfall likely over somewhere in West Bengal, Sikkim and Northeast India during the week, and isolated extremely heavy rainfall more than 20 centimeter at a station likely over Assam and Meghalaya and somewhere in West Bengal and Sikkim on 29th of April, that is today. Yesterday, extremely heavy rainfall reported over somewhere in West Bengal and Sikkim, heavy to very heavy rainfall over Tripura and heavy rainfall over Assam. Thunderstorm conditions reported over parts of northwest, central, east, northeast and southwestern India, and hailstorm reported over Uttarakhand, Odisha, Interior Karnataka and Telangana. Heatwave conditions at one or two stations of East Uttar Pradesh, Vidarbha and Odisha. Barman conditions prevailed in isolated locations of Uttar Pradesh. And if we see synoptic systems, so there is a western disturbance over North Pakistan region of Kashmir. There is induced isolation over Punjab. There is a circulation over southern parts of East Uttar Pradesh. Trough runs from this circulation to northeast India. Another trough runs from northeast Madhya Pradesh to northeast Bangladesh. There is a cyclone circulation over northeast Bangladesh, and there is a trough from north inter Karnataka to Gulf of Mandar. So under the influence of these systems, if we see the forecast of maximum temperature, no significant change in maximum temperature likely over plains of northwest India except Uttar Pradesh till 29th of this month, that is today, and rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius on 30th and 1st of May, and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during 2nd to 5th of May. Over the Uttar Pradesh, fall is expected in maximum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius till 30th of April. And if we see the central India, there about 2 degrees Celsius maximum temperature likely to fall till 1st of May. Over East India, it is likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius till 1st of May, and over Maharashtra, it is likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius till 2nd of May, and over Gujarat till 1st of May. And if we see the weather warning, so you can see that mainly northeast and east India likely to experience severe thunderstorm with possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall and extremely heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya and somewhere in West Bengal and Sikkim. Heavy to very heavy rainfall over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh. Heavy rainfall also likely over parts of Karnataka and Kerala. Thunderstorm activity likely to continue over northwest India, east India, northeast India, and southeast India. Hailstorm activity likely over Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and also over Telangana, interior Karnataka, and thunderstorm activity over remaining parts of the country, you can see, and hailstorm activity also likely today over Odisha with a speed reaching 50 to 60 kmph over parts of east and northeast India today. So severe weather today, there are three zones. One is Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, another is the East India, and third one is the Northeast India. On second, main zone is of thunderstorm and heavy rainfall is Northeast India, followed by adjoining parts of East India, especially West Bengal and Sikkim region. So accordingly, red color is given to Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, orange color to Arunachal Pradesh, somewhere in West Bengal, Sikkim, Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha where severe thunderstorm likely. Over Jharkhand, hailstorm activity likely, heavy rainfall over Gangetic West Bengal, somewhere in West Bengal, and also over heavy to very heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh and heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya. Over South India, especially Karnataka, hailstorm activity likely with possibility of heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall also likely over Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Hot and humid weather over Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu and coastal Karnataka. Over northwest India, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and East Rajasthan, thunderstorm activity likely on tomorrow also. Over central India, especially East Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, thunderstorm likely. On first main zone of thunderstorm is northeast India. Accordingly, heavy to very heavy rainfall likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and also over Assam, Meghalaya, and some in West Bengal and Sikkim. Accordingly, orange to yellow color is given to northeast India. Hot and humid weather over Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Thunderstorm activity over parts of central India, east, northeast, south central India, also over Uttarakhand and East Rajasthan in northwest India. Heat wave conditions are likely to develop from 1st of May over western parts of Rajasthan. On 2nd, the heat wave condition likely to continue over West Rajasthan. Otherwise, thunderstorm activity over mainly east, northeast, central parts of northwest and south central India. Heavy rainfall over northeast India, also over Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and hot and humid weather over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. On 3rd of May, heavy to very heavy rainfall over parts of northeast India and somewhere in West Bengal and Sikkim. Otherwise, thunderstorm activity likely over northwest, central, east, northeast and south central India. Hot and humid weather over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Heat wave conditions over western parts of Rajasthan. And on 4th and 5th, thunderstorm activity mainly over northwest, east and northeast India, and heavy rainfall over northeast India. On 5th also the same condition likely to continue. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.